What's going on, YouTube family? Hustle Gang, man. We back at it again with another YouTube video. And as y'all can tell again, we in another car. Man, I'm not doing this on purpose. I told y'all we was gonna have a journey with that Acura TSX, but hey, the TSX started having difficulties, man. I ain't want to deal with it, man. Like, start acting what they say? Get right, don't get right and get left, or something like that. That's what they say, and that's what I do, honestly, man. Like, I don't be having time to be stressing about no vehicle. It started acting up, and I just had to let it go. But yeah, enough about the other cars, man. We're gonna go ahead and get into this one right here. I'm gonna do a quick walk around, and then we're gonna head to the car wash. I'm gonna clean it up for y'all, because this car is really dirty in the inside. I bought it like a couple of days ago, and I never cleaned it up because I just wanted to wait, you know, the perfect time to make a YouTube video. So y'all gonna see it's really dirty right now, but we're gonna go straight to the car wash after. All right, y'all, here we go. So y'all can tell the paint really messed up. Like, the paint done for. I mean, this part good, but this part done for. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get it painted. I'm gonna paint this one for real, y'all. 2012 Honda Civic coupe. And actually, it's crazy because I had one of these. I had a what I had? I think it was a 2013. It was either a 2013 Honda Civic or 2014 Honda Civic. It was kind of wrecked in the front just a little bit, but it wasn't nothing bad. Like, it was something I could have did myself. But I'm gonna show y'all the inside so I can see. Real dirty, man. I just bought this car and just was driving it to go handle business and stuff. But here y'all go. The dirtiness, man. Like, look at that. Dirty. Hold up. Let me see if I can lift the seat up. Dirty, bro. Oh, yeah, I did want to show y'all this. Oh, I gotta pop the trunk. 1 second. As y'all can see, this cover is like faded, but the previous owner like gave me, it looked new. It gave me this one, so that's really gonna make the car look good when it get painted and stuff. Yeah. All right, yeah, we just made it to the car wash. And tell you the truth, bro, I'm not even gonna record myself vacuuming this one up, bro. The seats, man, I don't know, I might gotta get this on deep clean, because I ain't gonna lie though, the camera make it look way worse. It don't look that bad, y'all. We gonna go ahead and get this on cleaned out, and I'm gonna come back to y'all when it's done. Alright, y'all, not tremendously better, but it look way better than what it was. Yup. It was basically already clean back there, so we ain't had to do too much back there. But I gotta find a way to get this stuff off this seat, bro. I really do. But I'm gonna spray it down real quick. I'm gonna let y'all watch that. Y'all, man, this thing gotta go. I'm sorry, this thing gotta go. Hold up. On that. Hold up. Y'all, how do y'all get this thing up? This thing acting crazy. We gonna try to get that off at another point of this video. I don't know, maybe you gotta take this thing off. Yeah, that's one thing. You gotta take this off. It's made weird, y'all, and plus this thing got wheel out, so we gonna get this off in the later in the video. All right, y'all, here's the car. I did the little wash up and didn't do anything at all. As y'all can see, it's still dirty, but that's what the paint job for. I mean, I wasn't really expecting it anyway. Look at the paint. It looked terrible. But yeah, we got the inside clean though. And yeah, I'm not really gonna say too much more in this clip. And I'm also not gonna end the video off here because I wanna, you know what I'm saying, implement some more clips. We is gonna start prepping it soon, and that's probably what you're gonna see next. After this clip, that's probably what you're gonna see next. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on that clip. All right, you guys, we got this thing to the body shop to get the body work and stuff done. I'm gonna show y'all. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all what we getting done right now. That's done. nut hole right there, and probably some other stuff. We got the body man guy himself right here, Mr. Kendrick. Always gonna get us right. I'm gonna come back to y'all, or I might record some footage of him actually in the process of fixing that, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I told him one dent, and he had started doing all these other dents. But that's why Kendrick. That's why I'm always come to Kendrick, man. Like, he always gonna get us right. I mean, shout out to you, Mr. Kendrick. Shout out to you. For real, are we right here? Y'all remember when I was at the car wash and I couldn't get this cover off? I didn't even. Well, I knew. But I didn't even care at the time. But what you gotta do is you gotta take all these the wheel lugs off. Cause you see right here, it's got like a grommet on it that keep the wheel cover stuck. So you gotta take off the wheel lugs, and then that'll come off. And then you gotta put on a new one, put on the lug nuts, and then it'll go on. So I think I'm gonna do that today before I take this car to the paint shop. So yeah. All the body work for the Civic is done. Alright, y'all. So we actually stopped at the paint shop. We gotta stop and get some gas, man, because I don't have no gas in here. I don't even know how I let it get to that point, but yup. What you doing? Look at me. Alright, y'all. Let's see what $31 did for us. Oh, not bad. Shoot. Alright, y'all. We finally got the car to the paint shop. We got it sanded down nicely and everything. As usual, y'all already know, music was playing in the background, so we had to take out the music. And right here, I was giving a shout out to my main man, Mike. He always do his thing when it come down to sanding them cars. So yeah, shout out to you for that, man. And yeah. Hey, what the polish do?
I'm getting that damn compound off.
Oh, that's what it do.
Yeah, I'm getting all that bullshit off. All the stuff stuck in the corner.
Yeah.
That's a polish. Fill that motherfucker.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I took everything off that.
Every time we have headlights, man, we bring it on him, man. Always gonna get us right. Hold on. Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, so I feel like we're gonna go ahead and end the video off right here. And the next time y'all see this car, it should definitely be painted. We did everything. The only thing that we didn't do, and we're gonna do in the next video, is we didn't do the seats, and we didn't take off that wheel cover and replace it with a new one. But the next time y'all see it, we're gonna do it in that video. We're gonna do the seats and replace the wheel cover in that video. So y'all make sure y'all go ahead and turn on post notifications, so when that video pop up, y'all know this car painted. With that being said, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment. anything y'all want to. You know what I'm saying? I'm open to any concerns, questions y'all got about this car, about what I do, and all that type of stuff. I guess I'll go ahead and see y'all on the next one.
Go fucking show off.